All right, so there have been some new developments in the last few months regarding telephonic appearances at USCIS interviews. Ever since COVID, it has been okay for attorneys and for interpreters to appear at USCIS interviews over the phone. So the person would show up at the interview, the officer would call the interpreter or call the attorney, and that attorney could be present and listening over the phone or translating if it's an interpreter over the phone. Now, some of that has changed. Attorneys can still appear telephonically. So there's information out there saying that that's not allowed anymore either, but that's not true. You are allowed to appear telephonically as an attorney. Interpreters no longer can do this. Okay, so if you need an interpreter for your interview, you need to bring that person with you to the interview. Ultimately, that's a better scenario anyway. You want the interpreter right next to you. They can hear you better. They can probably gauge if you understood the question better as opposed to being on the phone. So if you have an interview coming up and you have an attorney and you have an interpreter, these are things to consider as you plan that day and who's going to show up. If you have any questions about any of this, leave a comment, reach out to us. I can schedule a time to talk to you. But hopefully that clarifies some of the new developments with USCIS interviews. Take care.